Oh, hi all, and welcome back to the 1 Minute Farming videos and yet another update on the Model B restoration. And guess what? We've got wheels. Look at them. All nicely mounted, tyres mounted and bolted up. So yeah, absolutely brilliant. I'm really pleased about that. It seems such a long time ago that I took the wheels and tyres off and thought to myself, how long is it going to be before they get put back on? But anyway, my good friend came down today and it's been a horrible day, blustery horrible day. We were going to wash the tyres off. I know it just detracts a little bit. They are the original tyres. We were going to wash them off, but it's been such a horrible day out there today that I decided we'll just get them mounted and put on. And so yeah, so there we go. So that's that one on that side. Come across. Now we have that one on this side. We do actually have a slight mismatch with the tyres, unfortunately. I've got a fairly new tyre on this side, and on that side it's got a little bit of wear on it, but that is an older tyre. But it's what came with the tractor when I bought it. The reason I haven't put new tyres on it is because I have this type of style of tyre on my BW tractor, and they are starting to get a bit tired on that tractor, and so my thinking is that I'll keep these two tyres on this one for now, and once I need to swap them over, I'll swap these tyres onto the BW and I'll buy a new set of tyres for this one. That's my thinking. But no, over the moon with that, and we have managed to get them on without scratching too much paint, which is got to be a bonus really. They did, to be fair, fall on quite easily. They have a decent well in them, these wheels, well being this piece here, so the rim of the tyre sits down into there and it makes it easier to flick the tyre onto the rim. I mean, they're a nice tyre, these, for these old vintage looking tractors. They're a Firestone tyre. I think they call them Field and Road or something, a Road and Field tyre. And you can't get them now in the UK. What I need is to find somebody over in the USA who can send me a set over. That'd be great if I could do that. But no, so there we are, tyres mounted. Really pleased with that. Yeah, so body panels moved a foot the other night. We got the other front grille on, went on well. And we got the double checked that the battery panels fitted, they go on well. And now I'm just on with them. I didn't finally sort this cable out on the, just put that up there out the way. This cable that runs from the dynamo, so it runs all the way along here, through that conduit and then down into the dynamo. I hadn't it in the place I wanted it, so I've now rerouted it, so I'm just going to finish rerouting that tonight. And then I've just got the battery bolts to put on that hold the bracket on the top on. Got to do them, and then that's really, I think, I'll double check, but I think that's everything done on the battery, and then we can get the panels put on and finished. Chap there, Daniel, hi Daniel, commented regarding I hadn't test started the tractor. And yet I've painted it all. Well, it has gone through my mind that I should have maybe tried starting it, I just felt for the whole series of this tractor rebuild that it would have been, it's much better and it seemed more right that he should start from the strip down to the final paint, and the final video should be of it being started. So that's my plan. So literally get those panels on the battery, might get them on tonight, get the new carburetor put back on down here, the one on the bench there, that one amongst my glasses. Get that put back on. There's no reason why this tractor should not be started. I will go over it once more to check I've tightened everything up, but this video of starting it is coming up very quickly now, so I'm looking forward to that. We've done our job properly, it should just crack away, not a problem. So yeah, so obviously I'm going to have to take the metal stands off on the back axle, because the tractor at the minute looks a bit like a dragster hot rod. As the back wheels aren't touching the ground. That's won't take much doing. I might try and get the decals put on before we start it. I think that would only be right. But yeah, there we go. So another step forward to the great day of starting it. Okay then, thanks very much now. Bye.